Hello, Facebook. We're going to try and get Instagram up and running real quick. Let's see if I can handle all this. That light is on. Move over here. Okay, so I just wanted to hop on live. I am home on lunch to fuel my body and to get a box off of the doorstep that they left for me. And I did not want it laying out until we got home this evening. So, first things first, did you have a nourishing lunch today? Did you use your oils? And have you had enough water today? So, I am back trying to watch what I eat and eat better. And so I came home for a healthy lunch instead of stopping somewhere not so great. And then I am getting the LaCroix on. And if you don't think they have enough flavor or you just want to do something to spice it up, I like to add a drop of lime. You can add grapefruit. You can add all sorts of different options to your water just to freshen it up. So that's what we're doing today. But I figured since I was bringing the box in, I would show you what I got so that you can see how exciting this is. I literally overnighted this because we were out of something that I need tomorrow morning. And that is Trim Shake. So James and I have been doing smoothies every day for breakfast. It's just an easy way for us to get lots of fruits and vegetables and be full for a long time, as opposed to a lot of your quick stop off breakfast or not eating breakfast at all. And this Trim Shake that doTERRA sells makes it super, super easy. This is the vanilla flavor. You can't even taste it, but if you could, it does taste really good. They also sell a chocolate, and then they sell like a vegan green one. And then they also sell a Trim Shake, this is the Trim Shake. They sell Terra Greens, which is a bunch of fruits and vegetables all ground up into one of those like green powders that you can use in your smoothies as well. So sometimes I'll add that if we don't have enough fresh fruits and vegetables, or if I want to switch it up. So we were out of Trim Shake, and my Wi-Fi is struggling. Anyway, so this is the Trim Shake. We put like 2 scoops in our smoothies every day. So anyway, I ran out and was not going to be able to make it through breakfast today and tomorrow if I didn't have it. So I overnighted myself another order and grabbed some Trim Shake. So this tastes delicious. I was not a smoothie person. I was not a protein powder person. I did not handle the graininess of smoothies very well, but we got a new blender first of all, and then we switched to the Trim Shake, and honestly, it has made a world of difference, and I can now actually have smoothies and actually drink enough quantity of smoothie to get full, until lunchtime or until morning snack time, whichever I'm feeling like I need. So, Trim Shake. This is why I got the mega box. I forgot. So I ordered yesterday, but I already forgot by today what I ordered, because that just kind of happens when you've got a lot of other things. And I know I ordered what I needed, but can't ever remember what I needed. So this is Class in a Box. If you use, share, sell anything with doTERRA, this is a super great thing to grab in your, let me cut it open. In your order. I order, I don't know, every couple months, quarterly probably, because it helps me when I teach. But also, The box is only $25, and then you get this little box, and it comes with 10 5-milliliter bottles of wild orange. So if you use nothing else in the box, the Class in a Box set, except for these, you're getting all of these bottles for the $25, which makes them $2.50 a bottle, which is like, for 85 drops, is like super cheap. And so I love wild orange. It's great in LaCroix. It's great in the diffuser. It's a super good like wake me up oil in the morning if you want it. But it's also really calming, which is the thing that a lot of people don't understand about some of the citruses, and wild orange in particular, is that it's really good at actually calming. And so if lavender is not a good calming oil for you, or you can't handle the smell of lavender, wild orange actually works really well in its place in the diffuser at night. If you deal with hyperactivity or anything like that, wild orange is actually really good. So if you do nothing other than use the wild orange in this box, the Class in a Box makes a super great value, but I also get all the other stuff, which I would have to buy anyway. So wild orange comes in the Class in a Box. Class invite cards if you are teaching classes or you're hosting a class for me. I do hostess gifts, and so if you want invitations to pass out, you can get those. There's a little snippet on the class video, so you can get there's an entire DVD that teaches you like how to teach the class, makes it super simple. All of you think I'm just well educated, but really I just watch the videos. And then the other fun things that are in here, so you get 10, huge pack, of the Current Quarters Living magazine. So this is the magazine that doTERRA puts out every quarter, and it has tons of great recipes, DIY stuff. It has all sorts of oil spotlights, so you can learn more about different oils. Co-impact sourcing, they talk about any trips that they've been doing, any work that they're doing with that. And then also, like this one this is the summer edition because we're still in summertime here in Texas. So there's ways to beat the heat, de-stress, and make over your evening routine. There's some information about the lemon oil. And then there's an essential guide for essential oil novice. So if you're like brand new, you're like, I don't know what to do, just reading this alone really helps. So I like to give these out in my classes. So I get those basically for free to me with the Class in a Box. And James, go back to work. I don't know why. Well, anyway, you get a little guide that talks about all the stuff that's in here and how to use the oils. doTERRA makes this really great set of booklets here. If you are using the products, I like to go over this live guide, the share guide, and if you're interested in building a business, the build guide, with people when they get started with oils, whatever level you're interested in. Don't feel pressured to share or build if you just want to live and use your oils. But doTERRA puts these really cute guides together. It shows you how to use your products, has lots of good examples. And this allows me to do a wellness consult like super easy because shows all of the products that you would need in your day-to-day. If you want to give away your wild orange and not hoard them for yourself, there's some little cards here that talk about some benefits for wild orange. They give you a copy of the most current product guide. So this shows all of the products, which for me, when I'm at a class, people always want to know, how much is this one? How much is this one? So that helps. And then the Natural Solutions Guide. So this is the actual guide that I teach with when I teach a Natural Solutions class. It has all the top 10 oils in it. Talks about, this is kind of like your effectiveness and cost breakdown. This is the different grades of essential oils, and then the 3 different ways that we use oils. And then your up here, you've got your modern approach to medicine versus the natural approach. So that all comes in Class in a Box for super duper cheap. What else did I get? So I also grabbed up a 3-pack of, this is the hand and body lotion. This is unscented. And so it's really great. You can mix your oils in it, squeeze a drop in your palm, and then put a drop of whatever oil you want to use or smell like. I go through this a lot. It is like the smoothest, nicest, doesn't cause like irritation or a gritty feeling or anything like that. And then it's unscented, so it's not going to bother someone who doesn't want to use a scent. Sometimes I just don't want to smell up the entire room like whatever other brands of lotions I'm using. And so I can use this and get a completely unscented little lotion. Let's do this one. So then I got this. This is the first time I've ever ordered this, so I am curious. I ordered it because I had a wonderful class hostess this weekend, and she's interested in trying it. And I said, well, me too. So let me order it, and I will give you a little bit of my bottle so she could try it out. So this is Immortelle. This is the anti-aging blend. So this is a roll-on. And so you can just roll it on your face. You can roll it on lines, you know, whatever you've got going on. It smells really good. But I've also seen a lot of people use it for deodorant, all sorts of different things. And so I snatched this up while I was ordering so that I could give her hello, Susan, so that I could give her a sample of that. I got a lot of oils this time around because I'm low on a bunch of stuff. Copaiba. So Copaiba is really good for all those things that you would use CBD oil for. This has all of the positive effects of that without any of the psychoactivity and the addictive and all that type of stuff. So very good for any discomfort that your body is experiencing. I take a drop under my tongue every morning, which is why we're running low because my bottle's empty. So I take a drop under my tongue every morning just to help with cellular support and all the discomfort that runs through your body. What else did I get? I literally just opened this box, so I haven't even taken it apart yet. So then I ordered a bottle of lemon. We are always going through lemon. As you can see, this one is about out. We use lemon to wash all of our fruits and vegetables. All of our produce, all I do is put the produce in the sink, put the water in, and then put a couple drops of lemon. At 4 cents a drop, this is the most cost-effective way that you can clean your fruit. This is going to take off a whole slew of the pesticides and the other things that are on your fruits and vegetables. And even if you buy organic and all the clean and all the fruits and vegetables like that, you're still going to deal with pesticides. You're still going to deal with debris. You're just going to deal with things that come in contact with the fruit through transport and all that type of stuff. So lemon oil is really good for helping take that off. If you are following me on Instagram, check out my highlights. There's some nasty videos of me washing some strawberries and some other fruit. And you can see just how gross some of the fruit is that we buy before we use it, and then how clean it is after. And it makes a world of difference on taste. If you taste that gritty, nasty texture on grapes, this takes away that nasty texture. So that's something that I could never stand about. Certain batches of grapes would just smell so bad. And I was like, I don't know why I can't get it off with just water. But the lemon takes it off. You don't even have to scrub. You don't have to do any work. None of that. Okay, so let's talk about the other things I ordered, because the things that are left here in this pile are things that expire tomorrow. So let's talk about those real quick. And then I will leave you to go back to work and enjoy your day. So 10% off this month is the HD Clear Bundle. So this comes with all three. If you want help with problem skin. I have been using this the last few weeks since I first got it, and we're absolutely loving what it's doing for our skin and helping clear up a lot of that, the breakouts, hormonal stress, bad eating, all of the things. This is working really well. So it comes with a cleanser. And so this we use like as a face wash, just a little bit of water, rub it on, wash it off. Smells good, feels good, doesn't leave any weird texture, all those good things. And then it comes with the roller bottle. So this roller bottle is what I use for spot treatments. And so it's the same roll-on technique like the anti-aging blend. And then I just spot treat with it wherever I've got any problems going on. And so I'll use that. And then the last thing that comes with is the HD Clear facial lotion. So this is really good to hydrate, moisturize, but then get that all over coverage and kind of breakout proof your skin. So this month only, you can get the set, all three together, 10% off, but that's only today and tomorrow. So if you are looking to get any of these, they're great for problem skin, hormonal teen, acne, all that type of stuff. This is what I would highly recommend for that. So you can get this 10% off today and tomorrow. And then the last two things, and the reason why I hurried up and ordered one more time in the month of August, is that Litzia and Manuka Touch are free if you place a 200 PV order, which is super easy to do. I've got a kit that you can get started with that has the top 10 oils and a diffuser, and then you get these for free. These are over $100 value alone, and they are never available in the US at this time. So it is not something that I can just order next month if I wanted it. It's only available in the Australia, New Zealand, Chinese markets, I believe. And so these are something that I've never even been able to get my hands on myself without friends over there, which I have not done. And so I was really excited to get this Litzia I have got going in the diffuser at work today. And it is heavenly. It is kind of like a citrus, but like if someone walked in and they're like, I smell lemon. It's very similar smell to that, but just really good smell. And then this is really good for all things skin. The touch version makes it super easy to roll on. So that's what I like. And then the Manuka actually comes in this like super pretty box. So if you're all about packaging and boxes, doTERRA like really hits it out of the park with this Manuka Touch. So anyway, that's what I got. That's lunch. That's all the things. So enjoy the rest of your day. Let me know if you have any questions. I shall be around. So enjoy your afternoon. See ya.